Welcome to our channel Garment Solution. In this video we will go through our revised template for issue receive management and production report in garment industry. Also there will be instruction sheet included within the template to help you out. Now let's see how this all works. Firstly there will be a master data sheet. In this fill up all style details and keep adding when any new order come. SKU names will keep generating accordingly. Also make a list of various vendors and processes in this sheet. Now you are all set to get this template in action. Go to data entry sheet and fill it up daily with all movement of goods like issue for any process, receiving or for any rejection during the process. Make sure to keep it updated so that can get real-time report as and when needed. Now to check the various reports, I have just filled an example data in master data and entry sheet. First is style report. Just select the style number and see the summary for each process done in this style. Do make sure to click refresh data button to ensure all data is updated in the report. Second one is vendor report. Just select the vendor name and get a list of all style issued to him and received quantity from him. Moving on to further report. Please note that reports which I will show now will only works on Excel 2021, Excel 365 or any later versions. First one is date range report. In this you can select any date range, be it for one day, for a week or any specified date. You can see the amount of work done during the period, which is immensely helpful in many production decisions. Second is style process report. In this you can check status of any particular process for any style. Just fill in style and process name for it. Each SKU will be listed and their summary will be shown automatically. I hope it is clear how the template works. I hope you will be putting it in good use soon. To download, go to our website www.garmentsolution.in and don't forget to like the video and click on subscribe button to get all latest updates on our templates. Thank you and see you soon again on our channel.